What a nightmare of a job this carriage is. As you can see, they supplied the wrong size end piece. Yeah. So I had to make my own. The steps they supplied made the whole thing far too wide. So again, had to make my own. It's a shame really, because it's very finely detailed with the chassis and everything. But I wouldn't recommend anybody to make one of these. I'm sorry, but I wouldn't. Anyway, you'll see what it's like when it's finished and painted and God knows what. Oh well, I've got the pegs off now, so I can do some washing. And on we go. 3 seat backs missing. I'm not quite sure what these little ones are supposed to be. They don't fit anywhere. Ah, well, part of the course, I suppose. Replacement seat backs ready to go in. Yeah, replacement seat backs in, and the strengthening pieces for the carriage sides and better support for the roof. This is going to be used as a third-class carriage, mainly on the shuttle service between Pentref Station and the quarry and perhaps the pump house when I built it. It hasn't turned out too bad with a bit of work I've done on it. Now put some bits and pieces on the railway layout before the winter sets in properly and rain and cold stops play. There's the new garden wall for the little cottage and a few additional trees here and there, just to give it a bit of depth. And an extension to the perimeter wall around the station. And there's the framework for the pump house done. Part of the roof made out of slate, but I can't finish the roof yet because I've got to reroute the whistle to put another section in there. And the carpenter's having a well-earned cup of tea and probably sharing it with the driver as well. Or not the driver, the engineer.